What if the itch on your skin isn't a rash? In Philippine folklore, the Mambabarang is a dark sorcerer who doesn't chase you. She sends something instead. A beetle, a worm, a whisper. She traps insects in a jar, chants your name, and suddenly you feel something crawling under your skin. Doctors say, stress, she says. It's working. If this already made you uncomfortable, like and subscribe, because it gets worse. They say the Mambabarang smiles while you scratch, while you panic, while you swear you feel movement in your stomach at 3 a.m. And the only way to stop her for heaviness or death. But here's the creepy part. What if she doesn't need a jar anymore? What if all she needs is your name? So, before you comment, like, and subscribe, make sure you spell it right, because tonight something might be listening.